December 10th, 2019, 69 successful trips around the sun. I'm standing here at a crossroads. 50 years ago, I was at a crossroads. I was a smoker and I was sick. I was in bed, had nothing to do, and all I did was read these bodybuilding magazines, and I made up my mind that when I got better, I would quit smoking and start lifting weights. And that was 50 years ago, and I'm still on the same path. You may be at a crossroad now. And let me encourage you, take the right path. Get on the path to health. So today, we're gonna do some tire flipping. Everybody seems to love those tire flipping. And I'm going to show you how much flexibility I've gained in the last few months, and do the farmer's walk. I'll show you what that is. So let's go have some fun. I've always wanted to do the straddle splits, and I never had been able to do it. I bought a program about that from easyflexibility.com, and it's been amazing. And I got this from Amazon. It helps a lot to stretch out. As you can see, it's getting closer all the time. I want to show you some pictures. This first one here was taken in early August of 2019. And I had been doing the program for about 6 weeks. And now this next picture was taken in November, mid-November. You can see the progress there. And then a month later, I took another picture on the 9th. So you can see the progress. It's slow, but it's moving along. So I'm hoping to get the full splits. All right, here we are. Got another tire, and this is really good. If you haven't done this before, works your glutes, the back, and a lot of cardio. So here we go. There we go. All right, this next one is called the farmer's walk, and works a lot of the grip strength as well as cardio. Some people like to take a lighter weight and walk further, but I'd just rather do a heavier weight and do short bursts. Anyway, here we go. That's it. Another year in the books. Anyway, I want to encourage you to get to a vegan diet, not eating any meat, dairy, or sugar. And you think, well, that's impossible. We'll start just a little bit at a time, maybe one meal without it, and make it 2 meals a week, and gradually 1 meal a day without any meat, dairy, or sugar. You'd be surprised what you can do. Get some kind of good healthy exercise, 70.